We are going to create a program with the keypad, which uses a keypad to print onto the LCD screen. So we need the 2D dashboard. So we'll go to View, put on the 2D dashboard. We then need the components that we need, which are on the combo board. And the keyboard itself, which is an input. So we go to Inputs, and get the correct keyboard, the EB014, throw them onto the 2D dashboard. Now we need a variable. We're going to call that LED number. And we need a loop. And the following component macros. We need to start the combo board, to start the LED, the LCD. We're going to need to print the number, but before we do that, the first thing we're going to need to do is we are going to need to get the number from the keypad. So get the component macro for that. Get number, and we're going to call the number LED number. Variable LED number. Then we need a delay. I'm going to put in a delay of ½ second. So that would be 500 milliseconds. We're going to need to print the number. LED number. So, try that again. Print number. And here. LED number. The number. So this is going to print the LED number here. So if we're to play at this stage, then you can see what happens is, it says 255, and it just keeps going. So what we're going to need to do is we need a clear. Combo board clear. Play again. 255, which is basically what appears when nothing is pressed. When something is pressed, you get the number. Now what I also want to do is to create the binary of what you press on here. It's like a binary calculator. So in order to do that, instead of pulling out LED, set LED state, which would set one LED, I'm going to set the port after the delay to port A, so that's the top port, and we need to set port A to 0, and the value we want to set it to is LED number. If we get another delay, what we then see is, and press play, we press 3, hold it, up the top, you can see here, we have the binary value of 3. Hold 5, not only is it displaying 5, but it's giving us the binary value of 5 in the port above. Okay, well done.